It's time to go pro. Get it? And there she is. The bad boy himself. First kick. I already know how it is. We'll let her warm up for a second. Because you know that's always better. And off we go, boy. Da 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 da. Got a bug in my eye pretty instantly. Now the 50 doesn't really have many gears. She's only got 3. So we only got 3 gears to work with. And she is 21 years old. She's like 2003, I think. I don't know if that's 21 years, but it's old. Woo, woo, woo. Got somebody getting the mail. Some wheelies, honestly. I usually go to first gear for the wheelies, but woo. Yeah, I thought I'd just make a little video, post on my YouTube channel, because dude, I gotta make it out to Matrix on gang. I really do have to make it out. Oh, let's not leak the Addy. Can we wheelie up this bit? Oh! Nice little ride. Do a little duper. Nice little curve, almost like a berm. Whoa, hell no! What the fuck? That shit scared me. Oh shit! God damn! That dog came out of nowhere, honestly. Had my heart jump a little bit. Woo! It's just a public road. It's just a fucking neighborhood road. How you just gonna have your dog out here barking, bruh? Putting her up the hill though, she's making it plenty fine. this hill. See if I can't wheelie up all the way up to the top. Woo! No, I definitely can't. This 50 gives me a lot of memories every time I ride it. I really do love riding it. Maybe we'll take a cut like down here. Home, boys. Woo! Yeah, that's the 50 for you. Gangster. No, lamester. Damn, she died on her own. Sad. Usually she idles. Apparently not this time though.